Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to sell on Amazon from eBay. So onto this tutorial, we're gonna be diving onto the eBay dropshipping with a specific focus on Amazon to eBay dropshipping. So before we get started onto the step-by-step guide for that, let's gonna explore first a quick or brief overview onto these two platforms on what it is all about. So starting off with eBay in here. So this is eBay's website. This is actually an online auction and shopping platform where individuals and businesses can buy and sell a wide variety of products. So sellers in here can list items in auction style or fixed price formats. So this is actually known for its diverse range of items, including both new and used products. So buyers in here often bid on items and the highest bidder at the end of the auction wins the item. So this is actually a platform that fosters individual selling and unique fields. So these are the examples of the different items that you can find in here. So we have here some shoes, we have motors, electronics, collectibles, home and garden, fashion, toys, sporting goods, and many more. So they have a lot to offer in here onto eBay. Now going to the other platform that we have, so this is Amazon. So on the other hand, this one is a massive online retailer that started actually as a bookstore. So these expanded to become one of the largest e-commerce platform globally. So Amazon in here, it also sells a vast collection of products directly to consumers, but it also allows third-party sellers to list their products on the platform. So these are some of the examples. We have here some electronics like laptops or computers. We also have toys in here and many more. So in here, it is known for its quick and reliable shipping services, including the Amazon Prime subscription. So that offers fast and often free shipping, and the platform covers a broad spectrum of products, including electronics, books, clothing, and many more. So, in summary, the eBay that we have in here is an auction style and fixed price marketplace known for its diverse range of items, while this other platform that we have, which is eBay, or Amazon, is a comprehensive online retailer that sells a wide array of products directly and also allows third party sellers to participate. So, both of these platforms offer unique opportunities for sellers and cater to a global customer base. Now, to get started, the tool or the fantastic tool that we're gonna use in here is this EasySync. So this is the actual platform that we're gonna use. So just a quick overview regarding this matter. So this one in here, it is a beginner friendly, and the best part for this one, it is a free trial, or there is a free trial available in here. So this is their website in here, and you'll just have to go ahead and do a quick overview first for this one. So these are what they offer. They create listings, so by one click you can upload single list, multi-variation listing, extended item specific, bulk lister with your title, free templates, and many more. So non-API automation, so you could work with unlimited eBay and Amazon accounts. Messages, it offers customer service, ticket, CRM, and auto order, which automatically places and fulfills your order while you sleep from Amazon. So you could also save time and make more money for this one. And also in here, they offer a 7-day free trial period on all the packages plan. So they also have a live support, and also as a beginner, this is built for you. So the team will take you step by step onto understanding your need better with your dropshipping journey. And also in here, EasySync has a functionality to constantly check for tracking. As soon as Amazon provides the tracking number, EasySync will upload it to eBay, and you will not have to wait 30 minutes for the app to check the status with tracking. So the service will upload tracking to eBay only a few seconds after it becomes available from Amazon. And as you can see, here are the platforms that it actually could be integrated with. We have eBay, Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, and Wikimart. And for us to be able to get started, let's go ahead in here and try to set up an eSync account. So let's gonna go ahead and click on to start free trial in here. Now to sign up, here are the things that you need to fill out. So you need to add in an email, a password, and then you'll need to repeat your password afterwards and click on to sign up. So if you have an account already, just simply click on to sign in here. And if you have forgotten your password, there's a forgot your password button in here. And what I like in here is they have a sign up with Google feature. So every time I have to create an account or sign up for an account, I try to use this feature so that I don't have to remember my email and password. I'll just have to click onto the Google account that I want to use. And please do note as well that by registering, you accept the privacy policy, terms of service, and return policy of EasySync. So let's go ahead and do that. Now let's go ahead and customize EasySync personally for you. Click onto that one in here so that we could go ahead and try to set up your account. So you'll just have to explain in here your experience level in dropshipping. So let's see in here, I'm new to dropshipping. Let's click onto that one. And have you worked with automation system before? So let's add this, didn't work. And the main purpose of using EasySync is we could go ahead and choose onto these different options. Now, as you can see, after we've gone ahead and completed the initial setup, so based onto our answer, they suggest that we try Finder. So this automatically offers the most sold products in the current dropshipping season. So we're gonna try that one out. And since this tutorial is all about selling on Amazon from eBay, we'll choose eBay in here. Click on to continue for that one. And then right after, we'll just wait for this. We'll have to choose onto the country that our store will be basing on. So there are a lot of options to choose from in here. We'll just have to choose which one. And then right after, we're just gonna go ahead and connect the store and then add in our first product. Now to proceed, we're gonna go ahead and need to go ahead and log in onto our eBay account. So we'll just have to fill out this detail in here. Now we could go ahead and actually choose a product in here. So these are the top picks for the store that you could choose from, or you could just skip this so that you could manually add it. But since we're just starting out, we could go ahead and try to choose an item in here. So you could actually see their description or their title in here, or the product name, and then you could see their item cost and the item price. So should be able to also see in here or calculate how much you should be able to earn onto this difference. So we could go ahead and try to click onto this thread. So let's try this thread out. Let's add product in here and let's try to see where it will gonna go. So as you can see in here, it has been added to our store, and we're gonna go ahead and start the drop shipping complete in here. And as you can see in here, this is what the EasySync dashboard looks like. So we're currently onto the home section, and here onto the home, you could actually change in here the platform. So we have your eBay or your username in here. You could go ahead and try to change in there, add in another store. You could also see your dashboard in here if you have listed an items already. So there is a finder also in here, or what we've delved into earlier onto the setting up. So you could see in here that we have in here in batch already, the one that we have chosen, this thread. We have the orders. We also have the different products in here. If you have an active listing, hot items draft, messages, store settings, your billing settings, and also the supplier account and the FBA balance. And for us to be able to proceed, let's head back here onto Finder. So here onto Finder, so you could add more items in here. But since we have this in batch already, we could go ahead and click onto the specific product so that we could view it. So as you can see, we have find this specific item from eBay, and now it has gone ahead and redirected us onto Amazon. So it is actually very easy. You'll just have to choose onto the different things onto Finder. So if you go ahead and add this onto your store, and if you click onto this, you should be able to see this one already onto Amazon. Now since you have chosen some things in here, so if you want more, you could actually make use of this filter icon. So here onto the filter icon, you could add it in here or filter it by minimum competitors price, maximum competitor price, how it's sold, and many more. So you could also choose the source market in here for Amazon, so we have that one already. And then also onto the categories, you could go ahead and try to choose which one in here. So if you want to do art, then you should be able to see the different items for art in here. So you'll just have to click onto add to store, and then once you have added all of those things already, you'll just have to go to drafts in here, and then right after, you'll have to approve the request that you could see in here. So as you can see here under the drafts, it should look like this. So you'll just have to approve this all so that it could go ahead and be listed onto your Amazon account. So that's just basically it. We've covered the essential steps to kickstart your eBay dropshipping journey using EasySync. So that was pretty easy, right? So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.